Hey everyone, and welcome to RomeTips.com. Today we're going to break down how to easily type emojis on your Mac. First things first, open any text editor or text field where you can type. Now normally, you'd press the awkward shortcut, Control, Command and Spacebar. That brings up the emoji picker, but there's a much faster way. This is based on my personal experience, and links to everything I mention can be found in the description below. Okay. So click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, and then select System Settings. Scroll down until you find Keyboard, and click on it. Now look for the option that says Press /FN key to. In the drop-down menu, select Show Emoji and Symbols. Awesome. Now, close the settings and go back to your text editor. If you press the FN key, also sometimes displayed as a globe icon, it'll instantly bring up the emoji picker. Press it again to close it. But there's yet another way, and it might feel even more natural: text replacement. I've actually set up boss to automatically become a boss emoji. Let me show you how. Head back to System Settings, then Keyboard Settings again. This time, find Text Replacement, and click on it. You'll see a list of existing replacements. To create a new one, click the plus button. In the Replace field, type the text you want to use as the shortcut, like smile. Then in the With field, choose the smile emoji or any emoji you want to use. Click Add, and then Done. Now, exit System Settings and go back to your text editor. When I type smile and press the spacebar, boom. It automatically replaces it with the emoji I chose. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.